Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEC. I'm your tutor, Mr. Buki, and you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so today we are going to be looking at the problem on logarithm. This is actually a simple one, which we are going to solve in just 2 steps. So our solution, the first thing I want to recognize, we have 4, 16, and what 8. So I know that 4 means 2 times 2, which is what 2 square. Alright, our 8 simply means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to the power of 3. And our 16 means what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to the power of 4. So we are going to replace the 4, the 8, and the 16. Okay, so let's rewrite all this. So I have log what? So 2 raised to the power of what? 3. Okay, for 8 plus what? I have log 2 raised to the power of 4 for 16, and we have minus what? Log, we have 2 raised to the power of 2, okay? Alright, so having gotten this expression, we are going to apply what? The power of number, what? Law of logarithm. The power of number law of logarithm is such that if you have a power like this, you can always bring it down here. We'll bring this down here. We'll bring this down here to actually multiply what we have. So 3 is going to multiply what? Log 2 base 2 plus 4 is going to multiply what? Log 2 base 2 minus 2 is going to multiply what? Log 2 base 2. Okay? So from these, we can now, simplify further. Yes, what law can we also recognize? Now we have the same number, the same base. If you look at this, we have 2 here, 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 we have 2. So remember, if you have log a base a, it means what? 1, right? So since this means 1, all we need to do is, it means this expression, this means 3 times this is 1. So we have 3 times 1 plus what? 4 times this is also 1 minus what? 2 times what? 1. Okay. So 3 times 1 is going to give us what? 3. And 4 times 1 is going to give us 4. So this is 3 plus what? 4 minus what? 2. So 3 plus 4 is going to give us 7. 7 minus 2 is going to give us 5. So 5 is actually the solution to this simple problem. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.